This is just a quick introduction to factorial notation. Essentially, factorial notation is that exclamation mark there, and that just means that if we see 5 exclamation mark or 5 factorial, it means to multiply all the factors from 5 all the way down to 1. Okay, so in general, n factorial, then we start at the number n, multiply it by the next smallest number, the next number, all the way down to 1. So the one thing to know about factorials is factorials grow really big, really quickly, okay? Because they're just multiplying lots of terms together. So we want to be able to express things without factorials, so we need to just understand how to simplify factorial notation. So if we have n plus 1 factorial, really that we can simplify that with the ratio of n factorial by writing it as n factorial times n plus 1. So that's equivalent to the n plus 1 factorial. Okay, so that n plus 1 factorial is equal to all the numbers up to n, and then multiply by one more number, n plus 1. And then if we divide by n factorial, what we can then do is then, because of this nature of creating the number, all these factors match up with all those factors, we can cancel those out because they all match up. Okay, so same thing with b, we can do the same thing. We have n factorial. If I want to simplify out that n factorial, I'm going to have n plus 2 factorial, so I really have n factorial times n plus 1 times n plus 2, and that's equivalent to n plus 2 factorial. Okay, so these are equivalent. Once we can see those, we can simplify them by canceling out these terms, and we're left with, in this case, we're left with 1 over n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay?